What is an algorithm? An algorithm is like a recipe with step-by-step instructions for solving a problem or completing a task. In AI, algorithms help machines process information, learn from data, and make decisions. Example: just like a cake recipe has steps, mix, bake, decorate, an algorithm helps computers follow steps to complete tasks, such as sorting numbers or recognizing images. The role of data in AI algorithms: AI algorithms need data to work. Data can be text, images, videos, or sounds. The algorithm analyzes this data to find patterns. Example: in image recognition, an AI can be trained on many pictures of cats and dogs. It learns the difference and can recognize a cat or dog in new pictures. How algorithms learn? Training AI systems. AI algorithms learn from data through training. In training, the system looks at labeled data, like a picture labeled cat or dog, and finds patterns. Example: a trained algorithm can recognize new pictures of cats or dogs it hasn't seen before. Types of AI algorithms. There are three types of algorithms AI uses. First, supervised learning. Second, unsupervised learning. Third, reinforcement learning. First, supervised learning uses labeled data to learn, like dog or cat. Example: email spam detection uses labeled data to recognize spam emails. Second, unsupervised learning finds patterns without labels. Example: AI groups customers by behavior, even without knowing who they are. Third, reinforcement learning learns by trial and error through rewards and penalties. Example: an AI plays a video game and learns to win over time by adjusting its moves. The importance of feedback in AI algorithms. Feedback helps AI improve. If an algorithm makes a mistake, it learns from the error and becomes better. Example: if an AI mislabels a dog as a cat, it adjusts its learning based on feedback. Making predictions and decisions. Once trained, AI algorithms can make decisions based on new data, even if they've never seen it before. Example: a spam detection algorithm can flag new spam emails based on patterns it learned earlier. AI algorithms in real life. AI algorithms are used everywhere. Here are some examples. First, healthcare. AI analyzes X-rays to detect diseases. Second, transportation. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate safely. Third, entertainment. Netflix and YouTube recommend shows and videos. Fourth, finance. AI detects fraud by identifying unusual patterns in transactions. The future of AI algorithms. AI algorithms will keep improving, becoming faster and smarter. Researchers are working on explainable AI, XAI, to create algorithms that explain their decisions, helping us trust AI more, especially in areas like healthcare.